Good evening, Professor B, my fellow classmates, and my fellow guests. My name is Beatrice Kowalling, and I'd like to present to you my speech on the importance of sea turtles and how we should save them. Now, sea turtles have been swimming in our waters for more than 150 million years. That's a long time. Yet they are now in the category of animals who are facing the dangers of extinction because of the harsh conditions we have added into our environment, such as the ocean. Now, with these conditions rising, there is a potential of sea turtles potentially be wiped out throughout, which then throws off the survival rate for species that depend on sea turtles, and which then throws off the balance within the marine ecosystem. Today, I'd like to motivate others on why we should save them because of the importance they bring within the system of the marine. Starting off with the plant life that they bring within the beach. Since sea turtles lay their eggs in the sand, underneath the sand, they play a vital role within the vegetation distribution among the species. Since some majority of the eggs do hatch and then baby turtles will come out and swim back to the ocean. Yet there are some eggs who are unhatched, which then decomposes back into the sand and gets absorbed, which gives it the ability to go beach grass. Beach grass is important because a lot of animals depend on them for food and for shelter. Now, sea turtles are known for eating consistently of jellyfish, which keeps the jellyfish population at a steady rate. With the sea turtles declining, which gives the opportunity for the jellyfish population to rise. Well, what's wrong with that? Well, with another group rising, there is another potential group of animals decreasing, such as fish. Since jellyfish are known to eat a lot of fish eggs, which then gives a risk of the fish population of decreasing. Now, sea turtles are important within the marine ecosystem because a lot of fish and shrimp will actually eat off the algae in the barnacles outside of the shell, making it the #1 food source. Now, not all the fish eat from the shell. A lot of the fish will use their shell as a habitat, which makes it vital. Now, they don't eat jellyfish all the time. They also eat seagrass, which makes them the lawn mowers of the sea, which keeps the seagrass healthy. Seagrass protects fish from predators, provides nurseries for people to actually use and bring it to the aquariums to use for their nurseries, and it is also actually a food source for other animals as well. Now, within the turtle, outside of the turtle, there's barnacles and algae that will grow with it. Yet there are actually creatures that actually use their turtle as a habitat, such as epiboints. Epiboints are small creatures that are like barnacles, yet those attach themselves onto the shell and stay there and keep them protection from predators. And during migration season, a lot of fish and animals will actually go to sea turtles as an oasis, such as birds will actually go on top of the turtle and actually stay there. Now, there are many ways to save turtles, and a lot of organizations and companies have addressed this issue already. Yet there's a lot of people around the world that still are not part of the group and actually still use the ocean as their trash bin. And there's examples here such as turtles being around a beach full of trash, and we can start volunteering in order to help. We can start volunteering on beach cleanup days. We can volunteer on those. We can also start using reusable products instead, because even though we're using recyclable products, a lot of them still go to the ocean, which is dangerous because a lot of sea turtles will actually think a plastic bag is a jellyfish and actually try to eat it, which chokes them and brings them to death. And we can also start adding turtle nest signs within the beach shores, if there are any. A lot of people are not mindful of like where they step, and sometimes they might step on a whole egg of a turtle. Sometimes we'll actually step on a sea turtle. And a lot of, for example, for this visual, a lot of construction workers have accidentally destroyed a whole nest of sea turtle eggs. But we can stop that trend and we can start saving them, because how important they are to the system, and bring the balance back. Thank you for listening.